The oil and gas industry has evolved from basic primitive shallow vertical land drilling to today's most advanced technologies in directional drilling, extreme subsea production, oil sands extraction, as well as stimulation technologies such as fracking. Parker Hannifin's sealing solutions are engineered to meet these ever-changing application environments with innovative sealing products and advanced material performance. From new rigs in Alaska to offshore exploration in Brazil, including deep subsea wells in the Gulf, fracking developments in the U.S. and Asia, as well as extreme sour gas wells in Russia. No matter the application or location, Parker Hannifin is ready to meet the market challenges of today and in the future.
The oil and gas market continues to push the limits of sealing products. We hear of pressure applications reaching and exceeding 20,000 psi. We hear of temperature applications now exceeding 500, 600 degrees Fahrenheit. We hear of low temperature applications in the Arctic region reaching below minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. These are extremely difficult conditions for sealing products. The harsh environments of the oil and gas market are extremely difficult for elastomers as well. Where levels of H2S concentrations continue to increase, we see steam applications, and even a lot of the new fluids being developed for this market have high levels of amines and high levels of aggressive fluids that can be very detrimental to seals. We're testing our materials to some of the most stringent specifications in the market, such as NORSOK, ISO, API 6A, and TOTAL.
Our expertise, our grounding, is in material science as a group historically and continues to be. We're using next generation materials to provide more robust Packer elements that will increase the user's uptime and useful life of the Packer elements. A number of oil and gas applications require very, very high temperature stable materials, and so we had an area of focus to develop a variety of perfluorinated elastomer materials that exhibit robust resistance to these harsh environments, but also at very, very high temperatures. The second area that is interesting is the need for advanced design solutions to address the needs of higher temperature and higher pressure in offshore applications. The third area of research for us is in the area of smart systems. One of the needs of the oil and gas business is that it is very difficult in a downhole application to understand exactly what's happening in the application at any given moment in time. So one of the advanced areas that we're working on is to be able to design systems that provide some type of intelligence and feedback to the user in a prognostic way so that we can prevent failure or at least be aware of when bad things happen, we will have a possible alternative prior to the seal failing.
Within the sealing industry, nobody has a larger presence in the world than Parker. It begins with our worldwide engineering design and material expertise, our market-focused manufacturing centers of excellence, as well as distribution service centers ready to serve you globally within all key oil and gas regions of the world. All our service locations have capability to not only stock your product, but add value with enhanced inspection, special packaging, OEM and MRO kitting, permanent and non-permanent part identification, and RFID part tracking and validation.
We enable our customers to increase their uptime in application. Whether you're onshore or offshore or deep sea, Parker is engineering your success.